In this video we will see how to set calipers points to establish a caliper and how to set up our scene scale. First of all, if you have any doubt on how to use any feature, you can always check the quick guide included by pressing the big button on top of the plugin interface. Now you can choose from any topic available by clicking on the title. Once you're done, you can exit or go back to the index. Okay, so let's see how to set calipers. First thing we need to do is to set the starting point. We can do it by just clicking on the object's surface, and when happy with the location, press Set Caliper Point button. Then let's set the ending point by clicking somewhere else on the object's surface and pressing Set Caliper Point. As we see, the caliper has been established from the first to the second point. This feature is very handy to set calipers points on both sides of an object. For example, to measure the distance between this snake eyes. It is recommended to set a hotkey for this button. This way you can set calipers points very fast and easy. To do this, you need to click on the button you wish while pressing Ctrl plus Alt. Then press the keys combination you wish for this button. So now each time I click on the object's surface, I'm pressing my new hotkey assigned before. This way I establish calipers distances very fast. Now let's take a look on how to set the initial scale. Remember, you can always check the quick guide if you have any doubt on how to use calipers master functionalities. So first thing we need to do is to establish the caliper that will be used to depict the initial scale. In this case, from the very top to the bottom. Once we have it, we can proceed entering the initial caliper size. Then choose from the units available. For this example, I am using millimeters. When selecting the custom units, Calipers Master will calibrate your scene to work under your new scale. So in this example, as the caliper has been set at 20 mm from top to bottom, the object is scaled up 20 mm as well. Optionally, you can always restore your original scale and create a new scale as we did before. Same way you can restore the last custom scale created. The new Calipers Master Display Measurements button has a built-in unit converter. This way you can check measurements on different units easily. This is all for the basic functionalities of Calipers Master version 2. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and if have any questions, feel free to ask on the comments box on hazardbrush.xyz and join our Calipers Master group on Facebook. Happy calibering!